Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn on or off firewall in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you want to disable or enable your Windows firewalls, let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply go to your settings, just click on the start button and then go to settings. In settings, just click on network and internet. Just scroll down and you might see the option of advanced network settings. Click on this. Further scroll down and you might see the option of Windows firewall. Simply click on this. It will open in your Windows Security app. You just have to wait for some loading. And here, just scroll down and you might see the option of public network. It is active. So you just have to click on it. And here, you might see the option of Microsoft Defender Firewall. And here you can see it's enabled. You just have to click on this toggle and it will be disabled. So you don't need to restart your PC, the setting might be applied. So in this way, you can easily disable or enable your Windows Firewall in Windows 11. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.